The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Delaware until 9 p.m. At 8:17 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Olive Green, moving northeast at 10 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, quarter-size hail. The severe thunderstorm will affect mainly rural areas of northeastern Delaware County. This includes the following: Interstate 71 between mile markers 129 and 139. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
Now for the